Setting up a Shopify store can be overwhelming, and by the time your shop's live and you're announcing on Instagram and Facebook that you now have a Shopify store, the last thing you want to do is comb through thousands of apps on the Shopify App Store to see what better fits your needs. Some of them are paid, some of them are partially paid, some are free, some have a free trial of 14 days. It's just overwhelming. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna review 11 apps that are completely free that could help you convert more customers. The first few apps are prompted by Shopify to be installed while you're setting up your store, which is email, Shopify Inbox, Facebook, Pinterest, Google, and Facebook Messenger. Those are all prompted for you to install, and I highly advise that you install them correctly and set up Facebook Pixel and Pinterest Tag and Google Analytics and all that stuff, because that will come in handy once you start online advertising, keeping track of how much you're spending, how much you're converting, if it's converting, if it's not converting. Create really targeted campaigns, like if the customer visits this page specifically and goes to the cart and goes to the checkout page but doesn't check out, then show this ad on Instagram. Those are really important apps to have. They're free, so definitely install these apps. The next app depends on your sales volume and if Shopify is your only sales channel, and that is the ShipStation app. With the ShipStation app, you quickly and easily integrate your Shopify store with your ShipStation account, so you have all your orders in one place and you can generate labels and send notifications all from one place. I love ShipStation. I can't talk highly enough of them, but that's only because the sales volume and the sales channels make sense to have ShipStation. If you're not selling that much yet, maybe you want to just stick to Shopify shipping while the subscription of ShipStation doesn't make sense for you. Now, all of us want to rank organically on Google, and for that we need SEO. There are tons of SEO apps on Shopify, but one that's free and that I found that does a lot of stuff is Smart SEO. You can do pretty much everything on the free version of Smart SEO. You can compress images, you can do alt tags, you can do meta tags, you can do all kinds of stuff, and it does help. I've noticed a difference on my organic search results ever since I started using Smart SEO. It's free, give it a shot. It's known that product reviews can influence a customer to buy or not buy from your shop. There are tons of product reviews apps on the Shopify App Store, but one that's free and that works just fine, it's called Product Reviews. Definitely give it a shot. It's free and you can add the ratings on your product. You can add the reviews below your product. You can do some customization, and it's really easy to use. Now, the next two apps are more specific, but definitely you want to instill that FOMO on your customer, that if you don't buy it now, you're gonna miss this awesome deal that's in front of you. And one of them is called Avaya, I believe, Avaya, Avya. Completely free, and you can add countdown timers. You can add shipping delivery estimates. If you order by this time, get your order by this date, or this sale ends in 2 minutes and 10 seconds, or if you buy 2 of these, then you get 1 of those. That kind of FOMO really helps you convert more customers, and this is the only free FOMO sales badge app that I could find, Avya. To end the list of free Shopify apps, this is if you sell customizable products, you can add the customization field on your product page. It's called Avis Plus, AVIS Plus, the word plus. It's super easy to use. Their customer service is super fast if you need to make a customization on their code, and it allows the customer to enter custom text for products that you sell that could be custom. I could not find a free, good-looking version of a custom text input app on Shopify until I came across Avis Plus. There you go, guys. These are the 11 free apps for your Shopify store that could help you convert more customers. At the end of the day, could make your store look more beautiful, Maybe you were in doubt between Shopify and Squarespace because Squarespace is so beautiful. Well, watch that video first of all. And second, now maybe your Shopify store will be just as beautiful as a Squarespace website. I'll see you in the next video.